So as I mentioned, we're going to use the RStudio, the cloud-based version of RStudio. RStudio is a great program. It's easy to use. It's free. It'll allow you to do a lot of things. To get to it, you're going to want to type in the URL, which is rstudio.cloud, rstudio.cloud. So in your browser, in the address bar, type in rstudio period cloud and press the enter key. And that'll take you to this page where it should. And on this page, you'll notice that there's a lot of stuff here. There's a nice welcome screen that talks about the mission and the freeness and all that stuff, why you might want to use R. There's a nice little set of links here that you can learn how to use R within the environment. We're going to do all sorts of things with this, but we're not going to do much more than just touch the tip of the iceberg on this. To get started, you're going to need to sign up and create an account in RStudio. So you'll do that by clicking on the sign up link in the upper right hand corner. That'll take you to this page. You can sign up by using your email address, and you're creating a password, typing in your first name and your last name to sign up, or you can sign in with your Google account, or you can sign up with GitHub. It's an easy process to do. You'll have to create it and verify it and such as normal. It's free, as I mentioned. So that's the first thing you'll do, is create an account. Once you've created an account, then you'll click on login to log into your account. So at this point, you'll log in using your email address and password, or log in with Google as you did before. And that's what I will do right. Once you get logged in, then it'll take you to this screen. And what we want to do is, you've got a workspace that allows you to have several projects. And remember, this is the free version, so you don't get a whole lot, but you get certainly enough for what we're going to do in this class. You really only need one project to do everything that we're going to do in this class. You'll notice that there's a set of menus over on the left. Like I said, there's a learning section where you can learn how to do various things. I'm going to lead you through the things that you'll need to do for this week's set of assignments. The first thing that we're going to do on this page is create a new project. So click on New Project. And it takes a little while to deploy the project and set it up within your workspace. So you'll just have to kind of sit here and wait for this to happen. So that process took about a minute, and it should take you to the main IDE, or Integrated Development Environment screen of RStudio. On this screen, you'll notice that it's set up into a few different windows. And these windows allow you to do various different things. The main window that we're going to use is the console window that's over here on the left-hand side. You'll notice that there's a menu across the top that has various different things. We won't do too many of those. Then we have another window over here, the environment window, that keeps track of the environment that you're working in during that session. And then over on the right-hand side, we have, or right-hand corner, there are several other windows that will show you some of the output that takes place as we go through the process here. Okay, so inside this environment, in the console window, this is where you'll type in your various different commands. Like, you can type in a command. We won't use this very often, but this is a simple command. Let's say I wanted to get the result of 4 plus 3. So I type in print, left parenthesis, 4 plus 3, press the enter key, and immediately the output comes up and it says that the result is 7. That makes sense. 4 plus 3 equals 7. The main reason, that's one of the commands that you can type in. So we're not going to really do that. We're going to evaluate some data, analyze it, and come up with some results that we'll submit as part of your assignment. The nice thing, though, about the IDE is that in this console window, you don't have to type in every single command over and over again. You can type the command and then pull them back up and modify them, rather than, because some of the commands will be very long. So if I use the arrow keys on the keyboard, if I press the up arrow key, it automatically pulls up the last command that I typed in, and it's the only command in this session. But if you had lots of different commands. It'll cycle through those commands so you can pull them up and adjust them, and that'll be very functional. Okay, so that's what the IDE window looks like. This is what RStudio looks like, and it's the first video.